Hey guys, what's up? Dafa here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing that's actually really cool. It's the new Nintendo Switch OLED model. I mean, what else is there to say? I have the original Switch that came out back in 2017, which I will be comparing with this one in a bit. For now, let's get this unboxed and see how it is, guys. Alright guys, here we go. This is the first time that I even opened it up myself. I haven't seen this in person, and voila. This is how the interior looks once you open up the box. And let's just get it unpacking and see how the screen looks, see what's different from the old Switch, which I have right here. This is the old one, and you see my camera. Hello there. And yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. So off the bat, we have the screen itself, or the console itself actually, which this is the first time it comes out of its box right here. Can't really see a difference, guys, so far, besides the back, where, let's see how this opens up without actually breaking it. Oh, there we go. It was actually pretty simple. I was just holding it the wrong way. Here it is. Kind of goes all the way back and completely closes, instead of the original one, which only has this little flap here, which also is hard to open, but here it is. Now it's the whole thing. So setting that aside, the other new thing are the Joy-Cons themselves. These are the first official white ones ever released by Nintendo. Otherwise, if you wanted white, you'd have to get a shell from a third party and, do it yourself. Other than the shell that's white, there's nothing different about them from what I know. They're completely the same as the old Switch Joy-Cons, just white. Let's put those aside as well. Let's open up the box and see what is inside here. So we got boring HDMI, boring power cord. I believe this is the exact same, let me see. Yeah, exact same little Joy-Con holder as well. Nothing different there. And finally, is empty. Actually, I lied. It's not empty. There is the little Joy-Con singular little holders, I guess. I don't even know what their official name is. But the main attraction, guys, is this right here. Let's open this bad boy up and reveal the new dock, which has a glossy finish on the inside, and this whole thing comes out now. Instead of it just being, like a little kind of opening like that, you have your LAN port, your HDMI and your adapter. Other than that, everything else looks the same. In the meantime now, guys, let's boot both of these switches up and see how the screen compares. So off the bat, obviously it's going to be bigger screen wise. This is a 6.2, the OLED is a 7.0 inch screen. Let me see, there we go. The camera won't pick it up that well, however, let me bring down the camera a little. So the Switch OLED just looks so much better, so much brighter. Turning off my light here, you can just see how much more brighter the screen is compared to the regular Switch. I mean, all in all, guys, it's louder. I can tell you that much. It's way louder. Let me set it up and we'll see what happens. So here it is, guys. So far, nothing special. I haven't downloaded anything on it yet, compared to the original Switch, where I have a crap. Oh, see, it doesn't even hold up. Huh. barely placed it down and it almost tipped over on the new Switch, guys. This is the old one. Colors are alright. And then the new one, you just see it's so much brighter. Let me also show you guys. Brightness is about like 2/5 of the way. Let's see on the OLED just to compare. Okay, so this is way brighter. Let's bring it down about the same. It's give or take around here. And you can just see how much different it is. This is darker. Just I can even switch the background to show you, you know, like both white backgrounds. And I mean, here's one, here's the other. Here's the first one, here's the OLED. You can just see the difference. Sound-wise, it's way better. Speakers for this are located right here. For the regular one, they're right there. For the OLED model, they actually moved it onto the bottom here. You can see way bigger, way louder. I mean, realistically, guys, is this something everyone wants to upgrade to? Maybe if you're someone like me that's just, you know, that loves the Nintendo Switch, appreciates it for being a hybrid. I mean, it's a nice console. Is it worth the upgrade? Not for everyone. But, I mean, come on, guys. It looks so nice. Especially in this white. That's going to be the end of it, guys. It wasn't that long. It wasn't that in-depth. Obviously, I didn't open it up. I just don't want to destroy it. I'm not a professional that sits here and opens up consoles and checks out the inside. A few facts about it I can bring up that other people have opened up. This can produce 4K upscaling. As of now, it doesn't. We'll see maybe in the future, guys. You never know. Other than that, sorry it was a short video. Next video coming up will be Super Smash Bros. On the OLED. It's going to be the continuation of the Gauntlet. If you guys want to see that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment what you want to see next after that Gauntlet. And yeah, guys, see you next time. Take care.